unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Uni DisplayPort HDMI cable, which I recently got for my desktop. And let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's put this to the side. And as you guys know, I love this name brand, Uni. I actually use it for my MacBook Pro. And I'm going to be doing an update on the dongles and accessories for this laptop. As you know, the MacBook Pro only has 2 USB-C ports. And I believe the new M1 MacBook Pro also has 2 USB-C ports. So here, this is the actual box. Presentation is very nice. And what's in the box? The box includes the cable with a strap. The cable measures 6 feet, so it's pretty long. Let's go ahead and put this back together. What else is in the box? We get one of the Uni cards here, and this is pretty much it, what comes in the box. Let's talk about Uni products. The products are well made, and what I like is that they're made out of metal at the end, and they usually match my Mac computers. I have a PC, which I'll be using one of this, and over here on one end we have the HDMI end, and on this end we have the DisplayPort. It is made out of metal, and pretty much it actually works very well. Let's talk about some details of this product. Let's put this on the side. So this product is the DisplayPort HDMI cable. It has a 4K at 30 Hertz signal rate. It measures 6.6 feet or 2 meters long. This product has lifetime warranty, and this company, Uni, is actually very easy to get a hold of. So I'm pretty happy with their products. If you have any questions, please leave the comments just below. Let's go ahead and talk about the cost. So as their products, Uni products, they are inexpensive, and I was actually able to get this product for $12.99. Now, currently on Amazon, they are having a 5% off when you buy this product. So that's actually cheaper than what I bought it for. I actually paid $12.99. So I believe it is a good deal, to be honest. Once again, if you guys have any questions, leave the comments just below, and I will be giving this product away, and the winner will be announced in 1 week, so 7 days from today, which means next Monday. Now, it is very easy to win this product. Okay? What you have to do is like the video, Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and in the comments below, I want you to state your first name and which country you are located. Currently, I will be able to send this product to Canada and here in the United States. So it will include the lower 48 as well as Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico. And of course, Canada. I wish you the best, and don't forget to like, subscribe. I will be bringing more videos pretty soon. Thanks for your time. See you on the next one.